Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Configure Environment Advanced Features in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. The Advanced Features area in the General setting provides many on-off switches for features within the product. Some of these features you will learn more when you read more about it, when you explore more about it. And depending on the Microsoft security products that you use, some advanced features might be available for you to integrate Defender for Endpoint with. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logged on to the portal. So you go on to the settings. You click on endpoints and then you click on advanced features. And then you select the advanced feature that you want to configure and toggle the setting between on and off. And then you can save the preferences, restrict correlation to within scope device groups, enable EDR in block mode, automated investigation. So you turn on this feature. So every feature would have the explanation that you might want to read before turning it on or keeping it off. Okay. So you go onto the Microsoft documentation, read more about those features. To begin with, let's say it has one feature, live response for servers. You turn on this feature so that users with the appropriate permissions can start a live response session on server. Live response unsigned script execution. Enabling this feature allows you to run unsigned scripts in a live response session. Always remediate PUA or potentially unwanted application. It is a potentially unwanted applications are a category of software that can cause your machine to run slowly, display unexpected ads, or at worst install other software which might be unexpected or unwanted. So you turn on this feature so that potentially unwanted applications are remediated on all devices in your tenant, even if PUA protection is not configured on these devices. Restrict correlation to within scope device groups. This configuration can be used for scenario. Let me search that for you first, the first option. This configuration can be used for scenario where local SOC operations would like to limit alert correlations only to device groups that they can access. By enabling this setting, an incident composed of alerts that cross device groups will no longer be considered a single incident. Then you have enabled EDR in block mode. Endpoint detection and response in block mode provides protection from malicious artifacts even when Microsoft Defender antivirus is running in passive mode. When turned on, EDR in block mode blocks malicious artifacts or behaviors that are detected on a device. Auto-resolve remediate alerts or automatically resolve alerts. So this automated investigation and remediation capability is configured by default for the tenants created on or after Windows 10 version 18.09. So what it does by default is to resolve alerts when the automated analysis result status is no threat found or remediated. Allow or block file. Make sure that Windows Defender antivirus is turned on and the cloud-based protection feature is enabled in your organization to use the allow block file feature. So this feature enables you to block potentially malicious files in your network. Blocking a file will prevent it from being read, written, or executed on devices in your organization. Custom network indicators. Turning on this feature allows you to create indicators for IP addresses, domains, or URLs, which determine whether they will be allowed or blocked based on your custom indicator list. Tamper protection during some kind of cyber attacks. Bad actors try to disable security features such as antivirus protection on your machines. Bad actors like to disable your security features to get easier access to your data, to install the malware, or to otherwise exploit your data identifier and devices. Tamper protection essentially locks Microsoft Defender antivirus, and prevents your security settings from being changed through apps and methods. Show user details. You turn on this feature so that you can see user details stored in Azure Active Directory, Skype or business integration. Enabling the Skype for business integration gives you the ability to communicate with users using Skype for business, email or phone. Office 365 threat intelligence connection, Microsoft Defender for cloud apps, or Microsoft Defender for identity integration. Right, so there are a number of settings that you would like to read about, what that setting does, how can that be helpful, like web content filtering, Microsoft Intune connection, conditional access policy, device discovery, right? So if you want to know more about every setting, just go and read the documentation, and if you still have any doubts, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.